Okay. Winter in Maryland. About your everyday winter in Buffalo. Except everybody's a freak and they don't know how to drive. Even my Cobalt without ABS and traction control gets around pretty good. That's probably because it has 5,000 miles on it, but besides the fact. Look at this guy. Yeah. Everybody's flipping. It's on the radio everywhere. And I have nothing to do. I just went to freaking Denny's. All my appointments canceled on me today, and they're in fear of my own freaking safety, which, I don't know. Nice of them, but I told them I'm from Buffalo and I really don't care. There are, yeah, look at that guy. Totally missed the driveway. I mean, there are a few. Is that the same guy? I think it is. There are a few brave people. They're flying down the road just like I do, but yeah, pretty few and far between. Hey, look, the guy has his windshield wipers up. Apparently, they've had snow here before. And nothing to do. Yeah, and I wanted to go to DC today one last time before I might not ever come back. What the hell is that? Ugh. Well, if I remember, I'll update this in, say, 4 hours or so.